Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my channel Genuine Funda. A number when divided by 2, 3 and 5 successively in order gives the remainders of 1, 2 and 3. If it is divided by 30, what will the remainder be? Shortcut trick. Required number n equal d1, d2, d3 into k plus r3 plus r2 plus r1. Here first divisor d1 equal 2, second divisor d2 equal 3, third divisor d3 equal 5, first remainder r1 equal 1, second remainder r2 equal 2, third remainder r3 equal 3. Now n equal 2 into 3 into 5 into k plus 3 plus 2 and plus 1 equal 2 into 3 5 are 15k plus 3 3 are 9 plus 2 and plus 1 equal 2 into 15k plus 9 plus 2 11 and plus 1 equal 2 15s are 30k plus 2 11s are 22 and plus 1 equal 30k plus 22 plus 1 23. Answer remainder is 23.